gonna show you how to take the air from the radiator or the antifreeze system, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This one is the funnel I bought it for that. Okay, this one is the adapter for this car, so we can install it. Okay, you always have to maintenance the water like that. Never keep dry. You put and you start without the car on. Press the hose and the bubbles coming out. You start the car and slowly we can see how many bubbles are coming out. Okay, when we finish, we have to shut off the car and take it out the funnel. Okay, this piece is for when you want to take it out of the funnel, so you don't make a big mess. Okay, now we take the funnel out. We can put the antifreeze in the can or in the extra reservoir. I have the flat hose. I don't know why, but I find the problem is the radiator cap. I bought a new one and the problem is finished, it's done. So, alright, always when you do something with the antifreeze, buy a cap, an extra cap. It's about $5. And when you take the air out, when you breathe the air out, you have to put the heat inside the car, so all the bubbles coming out. So this is it. If I can do it, you can do it. Don't be scared. Subscribe.